Hi, this is Madhi from InstaWebWorks. In this video, I'll show you how you can filter data in the map view. So let's go to the context module. We have 8 records over here, and I see that we have only 6 of them has the mailing latitude, meaning these 6 were processed. And if you click on the map view right now, we expect to see 6 records. So you can see we have 6 records in the United States. You can zoom in, control zoom in. If you zoom in to like a place in the map, you can see the records are filtered in that way. If you zoom in more, then you can see there is only one record. So you can see you can filter a lot of data like this. So we have 2 data. We only have 1 data right now. And click on the record over here. You can go to the record itself. And if I go to any of the record over here and then I click on Address Toolkit, and then you see that the place, Houston. On Portland. So I'm adding both of the data for this test and go to the other one. This test. And what is Toolkit? Texas. Chinatown. Save. Now let's go back and click on the map view. Now we should see all of the records over here. All 8 records. Nice. You can filter based on the blocks as well. So we have mailing and also the other address. Or not all of the records have the other address populated, or they don't have the data. So that's why we currently have only 6 in the other address, and for the mailing address, we have all of the records. Now you can, filter by just pressing on Control, then plus, and go inside and see just the records you want to see in a specific map view. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.